Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding the entire market. In my last video on Sunday, I talked about there could be a red day this week, Monday or Tuesday, but I didn't know it will happen today, which is Monday, even though I did not like it. My stocks are down, but anyway, looking at the chart, it seems to me like we could have another red day. And normally I do not watch SPY or the overall market that much in terms of charting, but that it is true that like when the overall market is down, then your breakout pattern or any kind of technical analysis, normally this does not work. So for last few days I was spending some time to see how the market is behaving. So this video is particularly looking at SPY, and is there like more down this red days coming, or we are expecting a reversal and going up again. And also like on a red day, how can we take the opportunity and make some money? And this is not the only way like to make money on a red day. You can buy some put and everything. There are so many ways to make money on a red day or a green day, but this one is particularly just looking at a few things I think we should be doing when there is a red day, definitely. So stay tuned. If you find this information useful, then please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's look at the charts now. So first of all, I want to show you SPY. So this so I have two charts. One I say like optimistic, one is the pessimistic, let's say. So this is the one, let's say the optimistic one. So you can see the trend, the bull trend. Sometimes we went outside, we came down, and again we came down, we went up. So but in general we are following the trend on a daily chart. So this is a narrower band, and that is why I'm calling it optimistic. So what I can see here, like today, like some kind of inverted hammer, and whenever there is inverted hammer, normally the next day if it opens higher, then it goes higher, it becomes a green day. So just looking at this, like and the aftermarket, we are positive, so we could have a green day tomorrow. If not, we can come and we can bounce off that particular black line here, or even like we can come and hit the red line here, which is around 383 or 387. So if there is a red day, it could be one more day, otherwise we can just bounce back from here. That is one scenario. The other one, the bandwidth is higher, and you can see like still like we are going up. SPY is going up, but the difference between these two lines are more. And for this particular one, so I think I made both. I think the bigger one, I meant to say this one, right? Yeah, sorry. So if I look this one, still there are more places to come down, and then it can bounce off, because you can see that like in many cases, just this is a bigger bandwidth, right? So you see like big difference between the two lines. It came off, bounce off. So if I'm looking at this scenario, the SPY can come down for a few more days, it can bounce off. So anything can happen. Watch pre-market, watch tomorrow how this stock is behaving. If I look at SPY on a hourly chart, and you can see we broke that around 385 channel, we went up to 394, and back to back like 1 2 3 4 days we are coming down. So tomorrow would be interesting, like if we come and bounce off that $385 that line and bounce off, that's a good one. But if it comes below, then we can have like more red days, which is like I'm referring to this one. We can come down, or like tomorrow, like we come a little bit down, we bounced off. In that case, maybe this one we come a little bit, we bounced back from this black line, and we went up. That is SPY. I do not know how the market will behave, but this is just my overall thinking, and I want to share my idea with my subscriber. And also, if you are not subscribed yet, like what we can expect. And yeah, the other thing is I think you know about that, like volatility index, which is VIX. So that when the stock market is high, VIX is low, so vice versa, right? So you can see like around like end of October we had a down. So the blue line is the SPY chart. So around like end of October, if I come here, right, you see we came all the way down. So one is around October, end of October, another one is end of January. So on a VIX chart you can see the same thing. So the blue line is down, the blue line is down, but what is interesting, even the blue is down, you see the VIX that is higher. So that's the vice versa. So when it comes down it goes up, same thing, comes down it goes up. So what we can see here for last few days, SPY is coming down, and you can see the VIX, which is the volatility index, is going up. So just looking at the chart, even though I'm a chart guy, and you see this U-shaped recovery and coming down, so still the VIX, which is currently sitting around 23.45, we can still go higher. If SPY comes down, we can hit 27.5, and also then we can come back, or if we go above 27.4, there is a gap up, it can go up to $29. So the higher this one goes, more SPY comes down, and depending on your stock, your share, then it can come down. But the good thing is, even though the market is red, like there is the opportunity playing some call option using VIX. So let's say you are anticipating that VIX price will go from $23 to $27, and if you go to the option chain for VIX, and you can see that, let's say for March 2nd, for a $25 strike, your premium is 2.05, so which means your break even is $27. If you believe in next 2 weeks VIX will go up, or even like if VIX goes up, this one will go high, right? So you purchase a call option, where is it? Yeah, you purchase a call option paying $200 if VIX goes up, which means if the market goes down, you will make money. And see today, like whoever bought that particular call option, they made like $35 for $1, which is a 20% increase. So if you see like more down red days, you can purchase a VIX call option, you can make money. Also the same thing, which is called like hedging your position, right? So if the stock market is going high, your shares will give you benefit, but if the market goes down, then these call options can give you benefits. So you can, either way you can get some money, right? Just wanted to share that, like there is an option you can play with VIX. The other one is, normally when the stock comes down, normally what we do, normally we just do some average down or something. That is one way, and this is what I was doing last week. For my preferred stock, I was buying the dips, I was averaging down. So there is nothing wrong if you're doing this, because if you believe the shares you're purchasing, they will go up, no complaint. There is another thing I think I should have done last week, and it's still not too late. So on a bar chart, like you can see the overall market performance, and you can turn it on and off, but you can see like sector wise changes. It's very complicated, but you can zoom and you can see which sector is doing good, which sector is doing bad. Like you can see the brown one is going up, energy sector, some of them are coming down, very complex. The other one is, if you go to finviz.com and then you click on maps, so basically this will show, this is today, right? one day performance, right? How the overall market is doing. So you can see that tech is red, but on the financial side this is green. Also then the banking, capital, so many, you can look the commercial, Tesla, Home Depot. So sector wise you can see which sector is doing good. You can also click and you can see on the banking side which banks are doing good, what's the percentage changes. So it will give you an overall idea how the market is doing. It's a one-day performance. If you look at a 1 week performance, you can still see the tech is red. On the other hand, the financial sectors are green, especially the banking sector is all green. So you get the idea, right? So this is one thing. The other thing is, you can also go to groups here, and you can also see as a group. So on a 1 day performance, what's happening here, the energy sector is doing good, the real estate, financials, these are green. On the other hand, the technology, utilities, these are red. On a 1 week performance, it's the same thing, energy is high, tech is low. If you look on a monthly performance, then your tech is here, and tech is on a 3 month is higher. So just looking at this, you can get the idea. So let's say on a 1 day relative performance, we can see that energy and financials are good. So let's look at the financial sectors, because once you know what's happening, maybe the stocks you are buying, those are red, but in the market some other sectors are picking the speed. Let's look at Bank of America, BAC. I made a video on this particular one when we were around $30 and see how far we went. We went $35. Whoever bought the share or made a call option, then I'm sure like you made a lot of money. But the main idea is to show that you see the banking sector, Bank of America, it is going up and up. If I look at Morgan Stanley, same thing, like it's going up, even though some stocks were down, but these stocks are going up. Then Wells Fargo, ticker symbol WFC, same thing, is going up, right? So the financial sector is doing good, and I am half and half. Like I was buying the dip for some of the sectors I like. At the same time, I did not notice the sector-wise rotation. If I knew that this thing is happening, maybe I could buy some financial sector call option or some share to gain some quick profit. So I think going forward, this will be a very good exercise for all of us. Like whenever you get a red day, just go and see how the overall market is doing. Maybe you guys are doing, and I did not do it last week, but make it a regular practice and you see which sectors are doing good, because currently we see a sector-wise rotation in the market. So the tech stocks are going down, on the other sectors are going up. So whenever these are going up, you can just go and buy some options share and get some benefits. So in one way you are going down, other way you are going up. That is one way of making some money when the market is red on one sector. The otherwise, I show you the VIX, you can buy some call option. Now also look at some recovery option stock, mostly on the travel side. So look at American Airlines, same thing, is going up and is forming a nice U shape. This video is not about any particular stock, but you look at the shape on a daily chart, and if there is a breakout, you know what's gonna happen, so you know what to do. And if you just zoom out, the stock was previously $22, the stock was around like $32. So you know, like any kind of good news, then the stock price will go high. And especially you see the line right around $22. It's a 1 2 so many times. So if we can pass this particular one, I think we can go even higher. Anyway, then we have Delta Airlines, same thing, you can see we are going up from 38 to 48, nice increase. Let's look at Southwest Airlines, ticker symbol LUV, same thing. All of the airline sector, you can see like how they are going from 44 to 55. Even the Carnival Corporation, which is ticker symbol CCL, you can see is going up. So sometimes you feel bad, like this, the shares you have is red, what should be done. But when you look on the other side of the market, so people take money from one sector and they invest in another sector. So if you know which sector is picking the heat, then you can just go and buy some call option or some share. Anyway, so there is a way of making money. It's not like you are red. And definitely if something is bad like COVID-19 or something, all sectors are down, then that is different. But still in that time, I think the thing I talked about, VIX, that will give you some benefit. Why I'm saying, let's say last year, this chart is for how long? Let's look at 2 year, right? Yeah, you see the March, when everything was down, then this thing went up, right? So two things, keep that in mind. If all the sectors are down, then VIX will go up, right? So you can buy some call option and you can ride the wave, get some money. If not all the sectors are down, if it's a sectoral rotation, then you can check the websites and you can see which sectors are picking the speed. You go and make some money. And I think this information will be helpful not only for me, I think only for you. And there is nothing bad if you just check the website and what's happening. Maybe you guys are doing, but I think it is important to share with you guys so that we make money. We do investing not to lose money. The main purpose is to make money, right? To make some profit. Anyway, my friend, if you think this information is useful and sometimes you want me to make some video on overall market, I will be happy to do that. So if you find this information useful, please hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload regular videos, and if you want me to look at any particular sector or any particular stock, make your comments below. And good luck, my friends. Take care. Peace.